Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of class 7th, as you know that we have discussed respiration in organisms. Today we will do its exercise. Here the question number 1 is define cellular respiration. What is cellular respiration? It is a process of breakdown of food in the cells with the release of energy is called cellular respiration. It takes place in the cells of all organisms. फूड का ब्रेक डाउन होना हमारी सेल्स में with the help of oxygen to release energy in the form of ATP molecules with liberation of carbon dioxide and water. This is known as cellular respiration. Why does an athlete breathe faster and deeper than unusual after finishing the race? As you know that during heavy exercise we breathe faster and deeper to supply more oxygen to our cells to break down the food in our cells to release energy. During the race, the athletes has to run fast. The demand for energy at that time increases, which increase the demand for supply of more oxygen to break down food in the cells. Thus, athletes has to breathe faster and deeper to inhale more oxygen. It is simply during a heavy exercise we breathe deeper and faster. We intake more oxygen to reach our cells, which help us in the breakdown of food to release energy. Question number 3 is list the similarities and difference between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. We have to tell what are the similarities and difference between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. First of all, I will tell the similarities between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Both processes include exchange of gases. In both processes, that is aerobic and anaerobic respiration, there is exchange of gases, that is intake of carbon oxygen and exit of carbon dioxide. Both processes liberate energy. That is aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration both liberate energy, but it is higher in aerobic respiration and lower in anaerobic respiration because there is incomplete breakdown of food. Third is both processes take place inside the cells. These respirations take place inside our cells. This is the similarity. The difference is aerobic and anaerobic respiration. In aerobic respiration, the process it takes place in presence of oxygen. In anaerobic respiration, it takes place in absence of oxygen. Second is it's completed in cytoplasm and mitochondria of cells. This process, aerobic respiration, takes place in cytoplasm and mitochondria of our cells. That is cytoplasm. Here a process occurs that's known as glycolysis, EMP pathway. And in mitochondria there occurs a citric acid cycle or TCA cycle. In anaerobic respiration, it is complete in the cytoplasm only. That is glycolysis. It liberates less energy. Third is it involves complete breakdown of glucose into carbon dioxide and water. In aerobic respiration, here complete breakdown of glucose takes place in our cells to liberate. That is, when glucose gets breakdown in our cells, it liberates carbon dioxide plus water plus energy in the form of ATP molecules. Here in anaerobic respiration, it involves incomplete breakdown of glucose into carbon dioxide and alcohol. That is, in anaerobic respiration, here incomplete breakdown of glucose takes place. That it results in the formation of carbon dioxide plus alcohol. Third is the process is harmless. That's aerobic process is harmless, and anaerobic process is toxic to plants. This is all for today's topic. Inshallah, we will continue question number 4 and 5 in our next lesson. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.